Epson SureColor F1030 is a hybrid printer capable of both direct-to-garment and direct-to-film printing. In this video, we will guide you through printing DTG and DT film using Garment Creator 2. To begin, open the printer cover. Pull out the adjustable plate and hanger until the tips extend beyond the printer, and then spread the wings on both sides of the platen. Slide the hem of the t-shirt over the platen from the front. Make sure the line inside the frame indicates the center of the platen. Attach the platen frame to secure the position of the t-shirt. Tuck in the remaining parts of the t-shirt under the platen. Make sure that the garment is flat on the platen with no slack or creasing. Close the printer cover. Launch Garment Creator 2. Select Epson F1030 series COM driver. Select black, light, or dark color t-shirt depending on your print application. Import media by clicking File, Open, Image. Adjust the alignment using the grid measurement in the software. You can change both print and color quality by clicking Print Quality and Color Print Quality and select the quality according to your need. Send in the print job by clicking Print button at Garment Creator 2. Press the Start button on the control panel to commence printing. One advantage of DTG printing is that it maintains garment comfort as the ink penetrates the fabric, creating a soft feel that doesn't affect the overall comfort of the garment. Now we'll show you direct-to-film printing. Prepare a cut sheet film. Secure the film onto the platen by taping down all four corners. Launch Garment Creator 2. Select Epson F1030 series COM driver. Select Film Mode. Import media by clicking File, Open, Image. Adjust the alignment using the grid measurement in the software. You can change both print and color quality by clicking Print Quality, White Print Quality, or Color Print Quality, and select the quality according to your need. Send in the print job by clicking Print button at Garment Creator 2. Press the Start button to commence printing. DT film printing is ideal for applications such as logos or care labels. One of its key advantages is that it allows designs to be printed onto film, which can be stored and transferred to garments later, providing greater flexibility in the production process. Improve your productivity and enjoy the flexibility of switching easily between t-shirt and film printing with the new SureColor F1030.